I buy 500,000 real SoundCloud plays in 10 minutes. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Roladel Business. So lately, a couple of friends have been doing some marketing tests on some musicians and some friends of ours and seeing what we can do and get them posted up on SoundCloud. Now, we used to use the traditional method like YouTube and Facebook and stuff services, but what I came to realize is that SoundCloud is huge. Like there is 175 million active users on SoundCloud, and SoundCloud is just like any other search engine like Google or YouTube or anything that has a search engine. SoundCloud has its own search engine, and you can rank in that search engine depending on views, likes, plays, and followers. And one of the ways that you can rank, and one of the big ways to rank and really get you some organic exposure, is to get in the top 50. And you know, the top 50 you are looking at is pretty tough right there. And this is pretty tough to get into. But what's not so tough to get into is the new and alt category. And the new and alt category just matters on velocity. So say you are getting to know you get up to 500,000 views really quickly, which is pretty cheap to do with what I'm about to show you in this video. So you know, this is also huge here, and people tend to check this out as well. So this is just another part of their search engine. And then again, even if you go to top 50, as you can see, it is, if you get up into the 500,000 view range, how you can easily slip into one of these spots and get a ton of views now. So one of the ways that we are doing this and we're getting to the view count on our musician profile inflated is by a site we recently came across called Roladel. Now let's open any browser, be it Google Chrome or Safari, doesn't matter. This method works with any device, with a computer, iPhone or Android. Today you know how to work with Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome and open Google search. Now we need to type the keyword Roladel here and click the search box. Now we need to open the first website, which is recommended as Google. Google recommended smmroladel.com. Now we have to open this website where we can get followers with guarantee non-drop. Once you are on the home page like this, you need to go ahead and click the sign up button here. Once you've done this, you'll be on this page, and when you're on this page, you need to fill out this form with your correct information. After everything, you'll be taken to your account dashboard like this, and as you can see, your account's balance is 0 fund. Now what you need to do is to set the amount to how much you're willing to spend. If you want to hit 500,000 followers, you need to check the price by going to the services page. Once you're on the service page, you have to click here to see all the available services on this platform. You can see Facebook, Instagram, Audiomack, Twitter, Telegram, and many more. Some services are more expensive than others, but SoundCloud is one of the cheapest here. So click on SoundCloud and you see all the available services for SoundCloud. You can see SoundCloud followers and plays and the price as well. I'm 100% sure that this price is very affordable, but most of you may think this price may seem quite high, but it can be actually a pretty cool investment for you, because it now means that once you hit the monetization threshold, you actually start to earn that money back on all my pages. Once I add the followers and started posting, they paid them and I started to make my money back, but because this platform doesn't use bot traffic to promote pages. So now click order now, and it will take you to this page where you will need to add your SoundCloud profile link and number of followers you need to get. This is the minimum and maximum number you need, which means they will promote your pages until you hit exactly what you're expecting. Now you can scroll down to see the preview of what you want to order. Once you finish everything here, click here and the channel and videos will appear as an advertisement alongside them to start your promotion. Be sure to add funds to your account by going to this page and click add fund. As you can see, you have different payment methods to use, which include paystack, manual transfer, and many more. If your preferred payment method isn't available here, you can contact the WhatsApp icon or email to get more payment options. When that's all done, it takes 24 to 48 hours for your campaign to go live, and you start seeing results on your page. If your promotion has been disapproved, they will tell you why, and you can make those changes in order to allow your promotion to be approved. Once you have your ads running, you need to let them run for 3 to 14 days. After 3 days, you need to look at which posts had the most followers and then wait for others to complete. So now you can go ahead and follow the guide which I have shown you to get 500,000 followers in just 10 minutes. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.